Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on an Olight Seeker 2 Pro. Now I was sent this by SkyBen. They do have an Amazon store. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in this box. So let's wait no further. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the specs. Now you've got a turbo light output on this one at 3200 lumens. Now if you need more time to read those particular specs, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and open it up, see what's in. Some information here on how to use the magnetic charger, including the wall adapter. Take some of this stuff out on the sides, get this stuff ready, show you everything is down in the bottom. The manual is here. That's what the manual looks like. A very large manual, multi-language, so that's why that's a little bigger than normal. Then you have the wall attachment here where you can mount this to the wall, and there's the magnetic port, and we'll go ahead and show that to you here. So what this is you'll mount this to the wall. Charger will go on top of that. It's magnetic. That in turn has one here for the flashlight, and you just hook that to the wall. And I might be using this, kind of like this idea. I've got the Nitecore that I did also, and I have that mounted to the wall with the light on it, but it does not have a magnetic charger on that, so it'd be nice to have a few of them ready to go whenever you need them. Now in this one here is the actual USB charger, and it's got a longer cord than normal. That's for placement on the wall, so it's nice that they give you that additional length on that cord. For some other accessories in here, you've got some sticky tabs on here for the cord. That way you can run it flush against the wall, make it look nice. Cleaning wipe there to make sure your wall area that you're going to be attaching it to is clean, because it is adhesive that you're going to be using to mount it. And now let's go ahead, take a look at the light. Here it is in the holster, so we'll show this to you first. Holster again is very nice. Really like these ones from Olight. Definitely a unique style, more of a cloth on the outside. Now you've got the quick release belt style clip on there. It's kind of nice to be able to lock that in there, and it's a little bit better than Velcro in my opinion, because it's gonna lock up. You just push it up, one hand you can do it. Really simple, nothing difficult. And here's the light, and we'll go ahead and take a look at this next. There it is. Right offhand, look at this grip style on the body. This actually has a rubber textured coating on it, so it's definitely not going to slip at all. Feels really good. Fingers on there if you've got smaller hands, and that feels really good in the hand actually. There's the charging port there on the bottom. You can tail stand that. Button is pretty much flush. Does stick out just a little bit here. Signature blue ring on there, as well as the bezel. Look at that. Man, that looks really nice. Machining and finish on this is excellent. Style and design on this is excellent. I really like the fact that they've made the body a little bit narrow than the head. A little bit of a rough area here, all in one direction. On the head, not too much heat sinking on the head area, a little bit. Definitely conversation piece here. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the special optics here. Now this is running the Cree XP-L LEDs. 3 of them in there. Can't really see the LED too much, but that's what that looks like. It's going to give a real nice floody beam on this. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. And just letting you know this is a proprietary battery, so it's special for this flashlight because of the magnetic charging system on this. So I'll let you know to remove that plastic piece. Show you down in the barrel. There's a spring. This is a 21700 cell, 5000 milliamps. So it's going to give you a lot of power to run this. See how that sticks out past it. So you definitely want to charge it in the flashlight itself. Contact point on that. Also, the threads are well greased. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and go through the UI. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on. You're going to press and hold to get the lowest light output on that. That's moonlight. Even though for some it may be a little bit too bright. Then of course you can press and hold to go to the next levels. And back down. You can press and hold that to go through the light outputs. Once you get here on high. So now I'll show you the battery level on here. You got 2 levels there. Turn it off, turn it back on. You can see the levels here showing your battery. It's got a little indicator here as well. That lets you know your battery level. Now I just took this out of the package for the first time, but I will charge this up before I take it outside. So that's what that looks like. And we're going to go back on high here. You can see a real floody beam on this. It does have a little bit of a spill area, but it just fades out. So it just bleeds out from the center area, and this will become all flood basically. Then of course if you want to get to the special modes, you can triple click this to get strobe. And once you tap that, that is a constant speed, so it's not variable. Press and hold to go right back to the last light output that you had it on. Put that back down. And that's all there is to this UI. Really like this new battery level indicator on this. Really interesting. And this thing looks really nice. Definitely different. Alright. Well, let's wait no further. Let me charge this up. Take this outside. See how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Olight Seeker 2 Pro. Go ahead and turn it on the lowest setting. You can see there, it is on. Easily seeing 5 to 12 feet there to the fence, a little bit further. And you can faintly see it on the water spout there, as you can see. Alright, we're going to go to the next level. Water spout 35 feet from where I'm standing. Fog was in here earlier. Looks like it's clearing up a little bit. Hopefully I can get a couple of night shots in here. 65 feet to that tree there. There's the beam on the fence. Alright, we're going to go to the next level. A lot more light output now in the spill. As you can see, 65 feet to that tree now. There's the beam on the fence. Nice and floody. Can't really see across the park. Faintly making the tree there. Having some really weird weather here lately. So we're going to go to the next light output. There's high. Look how wide this light beam is. Very nice floody beam. Little beam profile here. Turbo on this is actually quite amazing. And of course, this is not going to shoot to that park just yet. Hopefully on turbo it will. There's the tree now lit up. Do the before, after. A lot of light almost to my feet. Now look at that tree. Need a lot of light in a large area. It's going to be perfect for you. Alright, we're going to go to turbo. Wow. That's amazing. Incredible. "138 feet to that tree of life." Do a beam profile here. Look at all that light. Amazing. And it is faintly making the park, even through that little bit of fog over there. The tree of life. 138 feet. Great. Looks really good. We'll do a before and after here too as well. Before, after. Alright. We're going to end here on the tree of life. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did a phenomenal job. Huge area that this light can light up at one time for such a small, compact light. Very impressed with this. Definitely a keeper for me. Personally going to be using this. I am impressed. As far as floody beams, I'm more of a combination type, but I do like floodlights as far as my second favorite, and this is definitely kind of won its way over me. and I really like the Olight magnetic charging. There's a few other ones out there that I have that are magnetic USB rechargeable, and it is very convenient as well as just easy. With this one having the wall adapter, I'm definitely going to be putting this in my work area. Definitely want to have this on hand, and its performance is really impressive. Gotta take my hats off to this. Olight definitely is making another quality product with this Seeker 2 Pro. Now, I want to thank SkyBen for sending me this to review, and I hope this kit is something you're interested in getting. If you are, I'll leave a link to the SkyBen Amazon store where you can pick this up, should you be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these Olight flashlights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.